we will be making some special additions to our 2021 Silverado. And what better way to start than with some trim for the pillar posts. It's their classic stainless steel, but with a beautiful black platinum finish, the nice laser etched Chevy bow tie there, more than certainly going to be there for a long, long time. Again, with that laser etching, very good contrast to the rest of the pillar post. They did also include this third accent back here for the rear door. So a nice front to back look, really, really stoked. We are not looking at any average old plastic trim. No, no. This is 304 stainless steel construction. Do not let the finish fool you. It is still going to be around as long as your truck is.